I'm here to explain about the marks versus rank for PGCT MTech. For your marks, how much rank you can get, so that based on that rank you can give the list of colleges in the option entry to get your favorite colleges. So today I am explaining about marks versus rank to make your work easy during the option entry of MTech, and to know how much rank you can get. And you all are curious to know about your rank uh, in the result, so you can get the idea how much rank you can get, and you will not be panic after the result. Now, expected marks and rank. PGCT marks, expected rank. So, for 90 to 95 marks, you can get rank between 1 to 50. For 85 to 89 marks, you can get rank 51 to 250. For 80 to 84 marks, you can get 251 to 500. For 70 to 79 marks, you can get 500 to 1000 rank. For 60 to 69, you can get 1000 to 2000 rank. And for 60 to 69, 1000 to 2000. For 50 to 59, you can get 2000 to 4000 rank. For 40 to 49, you can get 4000 to 7000. For 30 to 39, you can get 7000 plus rank. This is only for the MTech. That rank varies based on the courses. For MBA, MCA, this is only for the MTech. The expected rank based on the marks based on previous experience, not exact. So keep this in mind. Don't say it is a fake news. Important note: these ranks are expected based on previous year trends. Actual ranks may vary depending on difficulty level, number of candidate, and competition. Keep this in mind. Plan better, choose smarter, get the best college, achieve your goal. Subscribe now for more PGCT 2026 updates. So based on these data, you can make your work easy during the option entry, and you are not panic to know your result, because you have one idea in your mind how much rank you can get in your result. So don't worry, use this data to expect your rank and make your work easy. Thank you.